Hi everyone. So basic question patient हमें पूछता है how many days are recommended for physiotherapy and why so many sessions are required. तो let me begin with the video explaining you कि हम sessions में क्या करते हैं as a physiotherapist when the patient walk into us. हम उनको initially few days जो देते हैं that we give on the pain relief, we focus on the pain relief in their inflammation swelling. उसको subside करने के बाद we followed by the exercise program देते हैं and followed by that we give a strengthening program which lasts up to 5 to 10 days of the treatment. And if the severity of your problem is more, जैसे आपकी तकलीफ ज़्यादा है और काफ़ी दिन तकलीफ को निकल चुके हैं, आपने थोड़ा निगलेक्ट कर दिया है, तो the sessions would extend to 15 to 20 days also. So the number of sessions of physiotherapy also depend upon the severity and the problems what you have. If you have a less pain and less stiffness, less problem, then the sessions would last from 5 to 7 sessions. But if the problem is more और आप लोग हमारे पास थोड़ा लेट आते हैं where the problem has become increased, तो sometimes 15 to 20 sessions also will be required to the patient. And the number of sessions also depend upon the do's and don'ts what you follow at home and the precautions what you are taking at home, so that the recovery and the sessions of the physiotherapy will be lessened. Sometimes the patient do not have any pain, they have only the stiffness and the weakness. So we teach the exercises program to the patients on a 2 to 3 days daily basis, and then they do the exercises at home. They follow the program, and as a follow-up we call them after a few days, that could be 1 month or after 20 days, just to see whether they are doing the exercises program properly or not. So I hope this is clear that why we need so many sessions and so many days, because it is not like just we have a medicine and we just subside your pain on the temporary basis. We need to tackle the patient's pain on the permanent basis, and we have to make the exercises program in such a way that the patients can follow for the long term. So all such videos are going to be helpful for you. So keep watching my channel.